Hello friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll be comparing the Poco F2 Pro versus Poco X2 phone in terms of the memory read and write speed test. So in this video, I'll be using the two applications to test the read and write speeds capabilities between the high-end premium phone from the Poco and the mid-range segment phone Poco X2 device. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description exactly what wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones. So you can find plenty of good and interesting wallpaper for the punch holes and notch smartphones. So try to check the links in description for the playlist. So and also try to check the latest videos about the MIUI 12 update as well, so which the Poco X2 has been released. So definitely try to check the videos to get to know more information about that. So let's get started with the comparison with the read and write speed test. So first I'll be using this application, and the Poco F2 Pro comes with the UFS 3.1, whereas the Poco X2 comes with a UFS 2.1. So 2.1 versus 3.1. So let's see how much difference will it be actually there between both of the smartphones, and which benchmark will be finished very faster. So right now you can see the Poco F2 Pro is already in the third stage, and whereas the Poco X2 still doing on. So right now you can observe the side-by-side overall results here clearly. So the Poco F2 Pro clearly it's double the speed of the Poco X2 device. The test results have been successfully completed in the Poco F2 Pro phone. So these are the results for this read and write speed test between both of the smartphones. Right now you can compare side by side. So clearly it's double the speed of the Poco X2 in the Poco F2 Pro. So let me try to open the other application, which is the Android Bench application. So which is also used to test the read and write speed capability in the mobile phones. So let me try to run at same time in both the phones. So let's see which phone will finish the faster in terms of the benchmarking. And all this depends only on the phone's read and write speeds, like UFS 3.1, which is very much faster than normal UFS 2.1 or 3.0. As you can see, the results are completed successfully in the Poco F2 Pro, but whereas in the Poco X2 still the benchmark is going on, and finally it's done. And right now you can compare the results also side by side, and in few scenarios it's triple the score of the Poco X2 phone. So that means the installation of applications and read and write data from the internal storage will be very much faster in the Poco F2 Pro device. So that is one advantage with this phone, UFS 3.1 smartphone. And for more videos, do subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.